Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future.
Most AI tools today are basically glorified assistants. They answer questions, write emails, summarize documents, but when it comes to actually running a business, most of them stop right where the real work begins. And honestly, that's the frustrating part. Because solopreneurs don't need more ideas, they need execution. So today I tested Accio Work, Alibaba.com's new AI agent workspace that claims it can actually run real business operations for you. Not just think, actually do the work. If you run any kind of online business, you already know the problem. Most of your day disappears into repetitive operational work, supplier sourcing, emails, negotiations, product research, marketing, inventory checks, customer outreach, and eventually you hit a ceiling where scaling the business means hiring more people. But Axio Work's entire pitch is different. Instead of expanding your headcount, you expand your execution capacity using AI agents. And honestly, that's what made me curious about it. So Axio Work is basically what Alibaba.com calls an agentic business workspace. For example, imagine you want to launch a new fitness product. Instead of manually searching suppliers, comparing products, writing inquiry emails, and creating a marketing plan, you can assign these tasks to AI agents and let them handle the workflow step by step. And unlike normal AI chatbots, this platform is designed specifically for real business operations. It can handle supplier sourcing, outreach, logistics, marketing workflows, CRM tasks, reporting, and even e-commerce operations using autonomous AI agents. And because it's connected to Alibaba.com's ecosystem and business data, it feels much more specialized for commerce compared to generic AI tools.
So I wanted to test this like a real operator would. The setup process was actually surprisingly simple. I opened the Agents tab, created a new agent, selected an e-commerce workflow template, and customized the role. Then I connected a few tools using the connectors page that give my agent access to specialized business workflows, including product sourcing and store building capabilities. One feature I also found useful is channels. Instead of staying inside the Accio Work desktop app all day, you can connect channels like Telegram or Discord and communicate with your agents remotely. So whether I'm at my desk or away from my computer, I can send instructions, check progress, and receive updates from my AI team whenever I need to. And honestly, that's the biggest difference here. It feels less like chatting with an AI and more like managing a team of digital workers that can keep projects moving forward.
So for the real test, I wanted to see if Axio Work could actually help me build an e-commerce business from scratch. I decided to create a fitness product store and gave Axio Work a clear goal: help me find a profitable fitness product and prepare everything needed to launch the store. First, I asked the agents to research the market and identify promising products. It analyzed trends, customer demand, and competition, then suggested products like resistance bands as a potential opportunity. After choosing the product direction, Axio Work helped me find suitable suppliers on Alibaba.com. It compared different suppliers based on pricing, minimum order quantity, product options, and customization capabilities. Next, it helped prepare the product launch materials, including supplier outreach messages, product descriptions, and marketing copy for the store. From finding the right product to preparing suppliers and launch materials, the workflow felt like having an AI team helping me build the foundation of an online fitness business. One feature I really wanted to test was supplier outreach, because this is one of the most time-consuming parts of running an e-commerce business. So I asked Axio Work to find suppliers that matched my product requirements. One prompt I found surprisingly useful was asking it to act like an experienced sourcing manager. I asked it to compare supplier quotes, use competing offers as negotiation leverage, see if the MOQ could be reduced for an initial order, and check whether the production timeline could be shortened. Instead of starting from scratch, it came back with a negotiation plan, organized supplier comparisons, and ready to send supplier messages that I could review and customize. Normally, I'd have to find suppliers, compare quotes, draft emails, and manage all the back and forth myself. But here, most of that preparation happens in the background, so I'm mainly reviewing the AI's work, making decisions, and moving the project forward. That's one of the things I find most interesting about it. It tries to take repetitive, time-consuming operational tasks off your daily workload. Compared with general AI assistants like Claude or Claude Cowork, Axio Work is built specifically for business operations, with workflows around sourcing, suppliers, and e-commerce. And compared with open agent platforms like OpenClaw, Accio Work provides a more controlled and secure environment for handling real business tasks. The difference is that Accio Work is not just helping you think, it helps you execute. Another feature I liked was scheduled workflows. You can create recurring tasks that run automatically in the background. For example, daily supplier monitoring, automated reporting, lead generation, social media posting, inventory tracking, or recurring research tasks.
I think we're entering a very strange phase of the internet where one person can now operate like a small company. AI tools are making it possible for individuals to handle workflows that previously required entire teams. But the biggest bottleneck isn't intelligence anymore, it's execution. And honestly, that's why Axio Work feels different from most AI platforms I've tested. It's trying to automate actual business operations, not just generate content. Overall, I think AxioWork is one of the more interesting AI business platforms right now, especially for solopreneurs, e-commerce operators, and people trying to scale without hiring large teams. If you want to try AxioWork yourself, you can download the desktop app using the link in the description below. And if you want more videos about AI workflows, online business systems, and productivity tools, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.